On a Wednesday morning, we set out with a multidisciplinary team of researchers from Strathmore University's School of Tourism and Hospitality Management and the Institute of Mathematics. Their destination, Mpala Research Centre in Laikipia, a world-renowned hub for scientific discovery set against a backdrop of unspoiled wilderness. The team's mission is to uncover new avenues for collaboration, research, and innovative learning experiences.
We are very keen in setting up programs on sustainability at Strathmore University. And one of those programs, apart from climate change in itself, is on bioinformatics, building capacity in Kenya, and of course in the region, on utilization of biodiversity data to make sense and to contribute into conservation decision making.
For decades, Mpala Research Centre has been a hub of innovation, conservation, and scientific discovery. In collaboration with institutions from around the world, it provides researchers with a unique, immersive environment to study biodiversity, climate change, and sustainable resource management within a vast landscape where wildlife, livestock, and humans coexist.
Everything that we do, we have to understand what is the linkage between that research and the community or livelihoods of people, or just the country. What does the country need to answer about climate change or resilience of an ecosystem?
What we are looking for is a long-term collaboration with Mpala Research Centre, which has done a lot of research on conservation. And what we're looking at to do here is to help those particular efforts, specifically from the Institute of Mathematics, in using mathematical models to look at some of the problems and the issues that they have been facing for this number of years.
Equipped with dedicated laboratories, expansive field study sites, and a team of experienced experts, Mpala Research Centre provides a dynamic space for groundbreaking research. From DNA analysis to ecological surveys, Strathmore students and scientists will have the opportunity to engage in hands-on learning, transforming theory into practice as this partnership takes shape.
We had discovered through a background conversation that Mpala does research. Actually, it's the only conservancy that does research, and that really motivated us to come along to find out what specific research activities do they do, who is involved, and how we could come in.
Mpala is a living lab, and they usually have data. They have data that they've collected over a period of time. So one of the strategic areas that I've seen where we could do a lot of collaboration is on data sharing. Maybe I've collected data, I've used it on a certain project. Why should I not share it with someone else who wants to use it in another aspect of conservation? Because conservation is very huge and wide.
For the short stay we've had here, it's a huge resource. It's a massive resource for student support. I mean, if you look at it from a technical perspective, from a research perspective, then in terms of resources, for students who are doing geospatial analysis, for students who will be doing biodiversity data analysis, for students who will be doing the GIS technology integration into biodiversity data analysis, for students who will be keen on AI integration in biodiversity data, satellite imagery, I mean, these are huge resources here.
By extension also, just to have students coming in from Strathmore University to Mpala, or faculty coming to teach the students who also come to Mpala from different universities across the world. So it creates that linkage of building the next cohort of scientists, conservationists, educationists, policymakers, advocacies.
As Strathmore University and Mpala Research Centre embark on this collaborative journey, we welcome partners, donors, and researchers to be part of this exciting venture. Together, through research, education, and innovation, we can create a future where conservation and development thrive side by side. This is just the beginning.